Nice way to spend Valentine's. Oh, may pang-shopping. Ano, Ito, Marlo Aquino at the low block. Hey! Bumaksak using his experience against John Dan Salvador. Remember, it was Marlo Aquino who gave them the lead. Their first taste of the lead at 71-70. And now he stretches that lead to 7 as we start the fourth and final quarter. Ayun.
And there's no one taller than Marlo Aquino in this game. And he's taking advantage of that. When he wants to score, he can score. Nakita natin, no? Hindi nagdo-double team of Pure Foods. And Marlo Aquino is making them pay for it.
Coach Norman is with us again. Norman Black, this is a big turn of events.
Well, if you're Coach Boyette Fernandez, you have to be very happy with that third quarter. They were able to go into Dennis Espino and Marlo Aquino, establish a low post game, and then their defense picked up. Pure Foods having a tough time getting into their offense right now.
Well, Roger Yap has been pretty successful.
Coach Norman, are you surprised that Pure Foods is not playing a zone?
Well, they might want to change up their defense a little bit because Santa Lucia is having their way right now. I mean, not just with going into the post, but also their pick and roll offense has been working for Dennis Miranda. So, Dennis Miranda, so they're going to have to find a way to stop those pick and rolls of Santa Lucia.
Here's Norman Gonzalez getting a pass from Dennis Miranda, who has been giving out a lot of assists also, same as Ryan Reyes.
And by the way, in the third quarter, Pure Foods had 10 turnovers against only 2 for Santa Lucia. And Santa Lucia 15 turnover points against only 2 for Pure Foods. That made a big difference. Yung depensa ng Santa Lucia gumana no third quarter. That turned things around with 5 steals for Santa Lucia. Ni isang steal, wala ang Pure Foods.
Well, James Yap just scored on the fly and cut the lead to 6.
Ito yung nakikita natin no, sa third quarter stats. Yung pressure to delay the execution. Mukhang gumana na no, yung pressure defense ng Santa Lucia because 50% shooting, well, actually that's not too bad. But Santa Lucia shot a much better percentage.
Well, tapikan si Joseph Yo, so the defense of Pure Foods also tightening up here. James Yap. Nako, naiwanan. Naiwanan ni Jonathan Miranda. TN3 yan. Galing kay James Yap to ease the pressure a bit. Here's Joseph Yo. Kenny Williams from the corner. Yes! TN3 yan. Ginantihan ni Kenny Williams yung tikada ni James Yap. Ito mismo yung dalawang ito ang binabantayan ng marami na matchup. 13 points so far for Kenny Williams. John Dan Salvador inside. And the ball is knocked away.
Yung 3-point shooting partner, no? Santa Lucia now with 6 3-point conversions against 5 for Pure Foods.
Ito si James Yap from the corner. Wala. Marlo Aquino reaches high for the rebound. Di na tumalon.
The skyscraper. Showing us why he has that nickname.
Ryan Reyes.
Ay, sinasabi natin na zone defense of Pure Foods. Eto, nakaswara na sila ngayon. And they want to take away that post offense. And the pick and roll ng...
Ang ganda ng pasahan, Norman Gonzalez. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Here comes Roger Yap. Against Joseph Yo. Out to Kirby for the open shot.
That's his range. Naku, hindi lang pumasok.
And Mike Fingers is there. Hey! Blocked by Marlo. Here's another one. Pero may foul. And referee Maurilio points at Marlo.
Marlo Aquino playing a spectacular game.
Oh, yeah.
25 minutes of quality play.
Inspired itong, well, the entire team.
Kapit na kapit siya.
Number 3 on Marlo.
Marlo has 13 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists, plus 2 block shots. At wala pa siya turnover.
Wow. Sabi nga natin, kinausap ni Coach Boyette Fernandez yung mga senior sa kanyang koponan. At teka muna, si Paulo Mendoza, hindi pa natin nakikita.
Hindi pa naglalaro si Paulo.
James Yap being shadowed by Ryan Reyes. Good pick by John Dan Salvador. Reyes for the rebound. Dominic, ano pinag-usapan nila Coach Boyette nung mga timeout?
Well, actually, Ed, yung report ko tungkol dun sa pagkatapos nung manalo sila against yung Game 7 against Alaska, sabi nga ni Coach Boyette, Monday hindi daw sila nag-ensayo. Nung Tuesday, napakaaga ng kanyang lahat ng mga players. Kasi sabi niya, that was a great sign. Kaya naman kumpiyansa siya papasok into this final. Sabi niya, laban na to. Ed.
Laban na laban talaga. Okay, ito po, 7:39 to go in the game. Lawang po ang Santa Lucia ng Siam. At ano kaya pinag-usapan ng Pure Foods sa last handle nila, Paolo Zulio?
Yes, actually, nung last time out, si Coach Ryan Gregorio was very composed. Ang sabi niya sa mga players niya, guys, we're under 8 minutes to go right now. Malayo pa ito. Now is not the time for us to panic. Ang sabi daw niya sa players, let's play smart. Masyado daw silang stress doon sa loob ng hardcourt. So mag-relax daw sila and to run their plays smartly in the last few minutes.
With 7:17 to go. Ayun, nakita niyo si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Oops.
Another missed free throw here for Santa
dami.
Lucia. Ang dahil na nga eh.
Ang dami nilang missed free throw, pero ang dami rin nilang assists. Ano? They've got
Yes.
16 assists. Pure Foods only 8, kalahati.
That's 1 out
Meantime-
of 2 for Kelly.
Yeah, split charities here for Kelly Williams.
Ito yung sinasabi natin about handling with care. Pure Foods, 80 na ang kanilang turnovers. Ang Santa Lucia, only 9. And points of turnovers, ang laki ng diferensya. So that also is a reason kung bakit Santa Lucia is up ahead right now.
Kirby Raimundo, umatras lamang kay Kelly Williams. Kirby, well, medyo malakas lang ng konti.
Again, yung timing sa rebound ni Marlo, ha?
Oo. Kelly Williams down low to Bitoy Malone. Double team. Dalabas kay Kelly Williams. Cross court. Joseph Yo. Nabitawan ni Joseph Yo. Napulit to PJ Simon. Tumatakbo ang Pure Foods. PJ, banggaan. And Ryan Reyes was hoping for a charge. Instead, he goes down with a
That will be number
block.
5 para
Yes,
sa kanya.
panlima yan.
That's
Ni
5
Ryan Reyes.
Ryan Reyes.
Ryan Reyes.
Fifth foul, 3 on the Raptors. Free throws to Peter Winsball.
Dalawang free throws para kay PJ Simon. 6:38 ang nalalabing oras sa larong ito. 10-point lead by Santa Lucia. And Simon cuts it down to 9. Actually, in 10 matches the biggest lead of Pure Foods which they established nung maaga pa. No? First quarter, 12-2 yun eh. Lumamang na 10 yung Pure Foods. That was the biggest lead of the game. Until, of course, lumang 91-81 in favor of Santa Lucia. It's now 91-83 on those free throws by PJ Simon.
Ito ngayon, nagtatrap ang Pure Foods. So this is a new look defensively.
Hey.
And tagbuka. Nagbuka yung trap.
Malakas yung pasa ni
Yes.
Bitoy.
Na-pressure kasi yung Santa Lucia nung nakita nila nagkakatrap. Na-pressure sila and they weren't able to form their offensive formation.
6 minutes and 24 seconds to go. Fourth and final quarter. James Yap gets inside.
Oh boy!
Ibang klase naman sumagat.
Oo.
21 points now for King James.
Ang daming dinaanan doon ni King James. How he was able to do that, unbelievable.
Marlo Aquino. Dalabas kay Danok Miranda to Joseph Yo.
Ito yung zone defense ng Pure Foods.
Joseph Yo's open. Tumulog lang. Loose ball picked up by Kirby Raimundo. James Yap. Over to Roger Yap. Against Bitoy Malon. PJ
nice
Simon.
pick roll.
Ay, nabitawan ni Kirby Raimundo. Ito, tumatakbo si Joseph Yo. Tumuloy-tuloy. Layup is good. It's counted with a foul. And a free throw. Makes it 11. At ang labang na Santa Lucia is 9 points at 94-85. High-scoring game now. Para sa dalawang kabanang ito. Chico Lanete gets away. Yes! 8 points for Chico Lanete off the bench.
Well, he's trying to match the points with Joseph Yo.
Oh.
Silang dalawa nagbabantayan.
Here's Joseph Yo. Kelly Williams from way out. Wala. Chico Lanete and Joseph Yo acknowledges the foul. Dito po sa Araneta Coliseum sa ating pagsaksi ng ating Game 1 ng Best of 7 Finals between Pure Foods and Santa Lucia. Currently, a 7-point lead by Santa Lucia. Uy! Tinamaan yung ilalim ng board ni Mark Pingrich and the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Pure Foods. Natitira sa shot clock 4 seconds. PJ Simon comes to the ball. Puts it up! Montik na. Here's Danok Miranda.
Kanina na-mention ko that Santa Lucia settling for the jump shot except for that incursion by Joseph Yo. And now that Pure Foods is playing a zone, you're getting tired. You have a tendency to just go for the easier shots, which is a jump shot, rather than expend energy driving inside.
5 seconds on the shot clock. And Kenny Williams.
Shot.
So what?
Oo nga, sabi niya, settle for the outside shot.
DM3. Galing kay Kenny Williams. And an air steal. Picked up. Whoa, dumayab si Dennis. Alam mo, ayun na, dumayab si Christian Coronel. Hinihintay. Yung nga sinasabi ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, sabi niya kakaiba ang pinakikitang hassle nito sa Santa Lucia ngayon. And the best by Kirby, taken away by Kenny Williams.
Ayan ang sinasabi natin, yung interior defense.
And
Maganda sana yung pick and roll execution of Pure Foods. So, nandun na, malapit na sa goal. Si Kirby Raimundo, pero nandun yung interior defense.
Christian Coronel misses it. Hey! Ryan Reyes out of nowhere for his first 2 points. First 2 points pa lang ni Ryan Reyes in the entire game. Oh, pero quick response by PJ Simon. Sabay na sila ni James Yap na nandiyan sa loob. Si PJ Simon saka si James Yap. Christian Coronel getting through the defense. Sets up Kenny Williams. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Mark Pingris. Forward to Peter June Simon. June Simon likes this situation. Open court basketball.
And that'll be it. Hindi, si Kelly Williams.
Kelly,
Nakala ko si Ryan Reyes.
Oh,
Came from the blind side to block the shot.
5 fouls na yan si Ryan Reyes. But it's Kenny Williams picking up his second personal foul. Kirby Raimundo at the line. And he makes it 101 to 91. 16 points now for Kirby. Joseph Yo. Ryan Reyes. Tinatawag si Bitoy Umalon. Umalon against James Yap. Joseph Yo gets it back to Ryan. Reyes. Well withdraw. Pinagay kay Kenny Williams.
And Kelly Williams.
21 points for Kelly.
Grabe explosion niya rito. No? Tinago niya ang kanyang best heroics here for the fourth quarter stretch run. Ang ganda naman ng pasa galing kay Ryan Reyes he's creating,
Yeah.
making things happen here for Santa Lucia.
As we mentioned, Ryan Reyes has not been in his offensive zone, scoring-wise, but he's been doing so many other things.
That's right, meron din siyang 4 steals, 5 assists, 3 rebounds, and 2 points.
Boy, this is no time to miss free throws. Naghahabol lang kayo ng Pure Foods. They actually led for most of the way. Pero ngayon, with 2:24 remaining, they're down by 13. Oy! Dalawang
Missed free throws, masakit yun.
Oh, and Roger Yap is a decent free throw shooter, normally. But this is game 1 of the finals, folks. Game 1 of the championship. Kenny Williams wide open, pero hindi tinira. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Espino inside. Tinapo na lang, wala. That's into the Outlast 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo, ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. Outlast batteries.
And si Ryan Reyes goes out of the game,
Good night.
sacrificing himself to prevent that layup shot by James Yap.
Birthday pa naman ito ngayon. But he's played well.
Oh yes. Very
Samantala,
consistent ang
ito ang
kanyang
ating
offense.
Ginebra San Miguel Red Sarap Balikan Flashback featuring James Yap. At yan po mga kaibigan ng ating Ginebra San Miguel Sarap Balikan Flashback brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel. Sama-sama kay Sarap Balikan, ang Barangay Ginebra. Oy. Outside for Pure Foods, Christian Coronel, a little too fast for his own good. Teka 12 na lang yan. 1:49 to go. Hindi pa tapos ito. Babainin talaga itong labanan na ito. James Yap from the outside. Good line. Medyo malakas lang. Christian Coronel. Joseph Yo. Ito na si Kenny Williams in the front court. Dapat ni Roger Yap. Christian Coronel signaling the play para dito sa Santa Lucia Realty. A minute and 27 to go.
Ito yung isa sinasabi natin about outside shooting at Santa Lucia with 8 3-point conversions already. At lang ang Pure Foods. Eto, may tip-in pa. Si Kelly Williams, hindi pa tapos. Si Machine Gun Kelly.
Ayan, si
as
Mr. Exy Robles.
Very happy team owner ng Santa Lucia.
And Pedro Raimundo tries the three-pointer to no avail. Ito, medyo desperado na itong Pure Foods to get back.
Malaki-laki na itong labang ng Santa Lucia.
Ano ba?
Remember, they missed their first 5 field goal attempts kanina.
Yes, they were down 12-2 in the early minutes of the first quarter. Williams from the outside, nothing there, pero nakuha pa ni Dennis Espino. Kanila pa rin ang bola. And an air steal, yes, completed by PJ Simon. Jun Simon, pinakawala na lang ni Joseph Yo. 40 segundos na lang ang nalalabi. At lamang ng 12 pa rin ang Santa Lucia.
With only 40 seconds to go.
Oop, Dennis Espino, muntik na mabitawan. Nabitawan actually, pero nakuha ni Christian Coronel. Kelly Williams has it against John Dan Salvador. Kelly Williams pa rin. Jump sa pass ni Dennis Espino. Kababayan nito ni attorney Jerome Tubig ng Bakabebe Pampanga. Oh! Salamat eh! Hey! Aray, Diyos ko.
And you would think he's a 34-year-old veteran who's logged so many seasons dito po sa PBA. Pero ngayon, pinapakita niya, no? Yung kanyang leadership qualities and of course his composure, no?
At saka, pinapatunayan niya na pwede.
Oo, pwede pa. Tsaka si Marlo Aquino, partner,
Yes,
no? Let's
oo,
give it
sila
to him as
dalawa.
well.
Well.
Yung Twin Towers sa Santa Lucia talaga nagtrabaho sa game na to.
Peter Jun Simon, TM3. With only 11 seconds remaining. Pero Santa Lucia with a big turnaround in the second half will win game 1 of the best of 7 finals. What a comeback by Santa Lucia. Una, mukhang nervyos itong Santa Lucia sa pag-uumpisa. But like we said, we expected them to settle down, and that they did. And won with aplomb dito po sa Game 1 ng ating championship for the Philippine Cup. Yan po ang ating final score, 109-97. Hatid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen, ang beer